If your Ford Ranger isn't starting, the specific sound it makes is the biggest clue to finding the fix. Statistically, over 80% of no-start issues on Ford trucks are caused by simple electrical failures. Let's break down the four most common sounds and what they mean for your engine. Before diving in, ensure your battery terminals are clean and tight to rule out a simple bad connection. A rapid machine gun clicking sound usually means your battery is too weak to engage the starter motor. If you hear one single loud clunk, your starter motor or its solenoid has likely reached the end of its life. If the engine spins but won't fire, stop looking at the battery and start checking for fuel and spark. While a battery swap is relatively cheap, a fuel pump replacement on a Ranger can get expensive quickly. If you suspect a bad starter, a light tap with a hammer can sometimes get it spinning one last time. Keep these basic tools in your truck to diagnose no-start issues wherever they happen. Don't jump to conclusions. Often the loudest problems have the simplest electrical fixes. Listen to your truck, find the sound, and you'll find the fix. Safe driving.